Welcome to Treflow Publishers. This video is meant to teach us about CAC registration, how we can register. So what is CAC? It simply means Corporate Affairs Commission. It's meant to incorporate a new business into the government. So what are the importance of CAC registration? It gives you credibility as a business owner. It gives you legal liability protection. It access a government contract or become a trusted person to access loan. We have three categories: the business name or enterprise, the limited liability company, and the incorporated trustees. So you might want to know which of these three categories is ideal for my own type of business. These are the list of businesses that can come under business name: schools, financial, tech company, importations, travel and tours. They are all under limited liability company. And churches, religious bodies, cooperative society, NGO foundation, they are under incorporated trustees. And these are showing the differences between business name and limited liability company. Take your time to go through it one after the other. And there are certain mistakes people used to make when they want to register their business with CAC. Number one, they go for the cheapest category without considering if it is ideal for their type of business or nature of business. And at the end of the day, they find themselves at a crossroad. And another thing they do is they register it as the only person, being the director, be the shareholder, be the secretary, which is wrong. Another mistake they make is not checking the share capital of the business, which makes it difficult and give them problems later, especially with banks. Now, how do you make money doing this business? You will see the breakdown of the exact amount that you will pay to CAC when you want to register. So you just put your own extra charge on it when you are doing it for another person. To start with, you go to cac.gov.ng and you register yourself with CAC. So let's say, for instance, you want to do it for somebody. It means you will register that person using the person's details, like the name of the person, the email address. These are the details you will need in case you want to do it as a business, to register somebody's business. You collect all these details from the person. But before you can be trusted enough to register other people, you must register your own business as well. So start by registering your own business. So after you have registered, you go back to login, then you check for name reservation. The first thing you should do is to do name reservation. The name reservation is to be sure that the name you want to register with is not used by somebody else already. After you have done the name reservation and it has been approved, you'll be given an availability code. It is this availability code that you will use to proceed to the business name registration or limited liability registration. Please follow this video to the very end. It's just showing you steps by step of what to do, starting from the business to the objective, then preview. Objective is what is the nature of your business, what is the reason for coming to CAC in the first place. And so you pick reason for availability search. Maybe it is a new incorporation or whatever, and then you check the preview of every detail you have entered to be sure there is no mistake. If there are no mistakes, then you can proceed to payment. You can generate your RRL and then make payments online. There's no need going to the bank to make payments. Generate your RRL and make payments online. This is your remitter. It's actually 500 naira, but by the time you click on payments that you want to pay, bank charge will be added to it. Look at this one now. A bank charge is being added, so it makes it 661 naira. So when you click submit, then it will request for your ATM card, the expiring date, the CVV is the 3 digits at the back of your ATM card. Then you click on pay. So when it has been approved, you can come and check it under the approval history. You can see these are approved business names I've ever done. you can see everything here. So if you click on any of these ones, it should bring up details of what you have registered for. Here is the availability code. This is what you will need to proceed to the business name registration.